So. Yes! Oh, I love that. Carry on, you must. That's right.
It rained on Tuesday, and I thought of you. The sun shining on a Thursday, I thought about you then too. It don't matter when, don't matter why, every day and night, baby, all the time. You're in my heart, you're on my mind.
And what are we fascinated by? Well, it's a commercial now. Casper the Friendly Ghost. This is how we get ready for a wedding.
The one I love, yeah, you are the one I love. And I'm never, ever, ever gonna let you go. I'm always gonna hold you close. Yeah, you are the one I love. Yeah, you are the one. You're the one I
I, Austin Estes, take you, Stephanie Bettig, to be my wedded wife.
I, Stephanie Bettig, take you, Austin Estes, to be my wedded husband.
the one I love, yeah, you are the one I love. You are the one I love, yeah, you are the one I love. And I'm never, ever, ever gonna let you go. I'm always gonna hold you close. Yeah, you are the one I love, yeah, you are the one. You're the one I love. I'll give you all my loving. You've got all my loving. Kissing and a hugging too. Oh, 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 oh. I'll give you all my loving. You are the one I love, yeah, you are the one I love. You are the one I love, yeah, you are the one I love. It's as simple as that. You are the one I love, yeah, you are the